Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. So today we got the FOMC decision on rate hikes. It was zero. All right. So they did not raise rates any longer. I'm going to go into what is going on in the market right now, the immediate reaction, and then when Powell was speaking and what they see happening in the future. Before I do, hit that thumbs up to the video. And if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. All right. So taking a look at the market, you can see right up here, really solid key levels. Okay. These are key levels that I post every single morning in our Discord community. If you're interested, that link will be down below. But what did we do? We sold off right as that decision came out, right to the key levels, found support, and then retraced the entire move. This is very common. It's very common. Immediate drop, it retraces, and then after Powell speaks, it starts to move into a certain trend. Now, after Powell spoke, right now we're just chopping around. The market is trying to digest what Powell is suggesting is going to happen with further rate increases. What does that mean? Well, they have the dot plot. This is something that during the FOMC meetings, all the voting members will basically, discuss in an open forum where they see rates at the end of the year. And what happened was now they are seeing additional interest rate hikes that will be coming. They don't see any cuts this year. And that really was a little bit different than what the market had priced in. All right. So further rate increases are going to be needed. So in my opinion, it was very hawkish. Okay. There was clear communication of more rate hikes coming and no capitulation on the idea the Fed wants to see an economic landing. So basically, they're going to do what they need to do to bring down that core inflation, the core PCE inflation. This is what they look at to try to get to that 2%. All right. So right now, we have seen no progress at all in that core PCE. And that's what he spoke about. That's what their concern was, that they're not seeing any progress here. While the consumer price index, so the CPI, has come down a lot. We just got a 4.0 reading on that. So if we look at the economic calendar, you can see right here, the CPI year over year, 4%. All right, that was the forecast, but it's also down, look at that, from 4.9% previously. So the CPI headline number has come down a lot, but what has not come down is that core PCE. That is their favorite indicator to watch. So in coming weeks and months, you're going to want to pay attention to when the PCE numbers come out. Okay. So that's really important. And what happened in the market, you can see, was that immediate drop and then, right back. Right to key levels right now. I mean, the market is basically flat, even though we've seen a tremendous amount of volatility. That happens, right? These are very volatile days to trade. Options premiums go up a little bit. There's big moves. There's a lot of money to be made if you're on the right side of it, but there's chances of getting stopped out before you get that move in your favor. So I suggest, if you're trading options, try to choose options that expire a ways out, 2 weeks out. Give yourself some time for the trade to work, because you can get really chopped up in this type of trading. If you're trading 0 days till expiration or next day, or even just on Friday having this expire, your chances of the trade working out are not that great. I mean, they could work. You could get lucky. You can take some scalp trades, but it's just very choppy. And I used to trade futures during days like this. And since I am somebody that really manages my risk, I end up stopping out, and then the move goes in my favor. So now just, sitting on some options. We'll see what happens. But there's been basically a very, very tight range here. So expecting and waiting for this to break. There's currently about, 19 minutes left in the trading day. Let's see what happens. I have some alerts set. But yep, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.